it's Miss Valerie here, and I'm here today with my friend Bentley. Bentley, can you say hello to the friends? And we are joining you today from Creative Cubs Book Nook, where we share stories in fun and interactive ways. And we're joining you today outside. Do you know where I am today? Bentley, I'm not sure if they know where we are. Should we tell them? Okay. Bentley and I are joining you from our campsite in New Hampshire. Yes, and our campsite is deep into the woods. Yes, Bentley loves to come camping at the campsite in New Hampshire, don't you, Bentley? Yes, and we are right by the river. Would you like to see? Okay, you can kind of see it right there. Do you see the river flowing? I also hear lots of nature sounds. I hear birds. Do you hear them? Do you hear them? Yes. So we may hear a lot of nature sounds while we're outside. We might hear birds. We may hear people. We might. They might be exploring nature. Yes, I'm going to show you the water now, okay? Bentley, move on over here. Do you see the river there, my friends? Right there. There's the river. And we have a canoe that we like to go on the river inside of, and we use our paddles, and we canoe down the river, and we look at nature. So we may see some people going by on their boats while we're spending our time here together today. Ooh, I'm hearing something going overhead, but it's not a bird. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's an airplane. So there might be airplanes that are going by. There's also a little bit of a breeze, so we may hear the breeze going through the trees in the forest where we are. Yeah. Bentley, should we show the friends the story that we've brought to share today? Okay, let's show them. Bentley, would you like to sit right over here while I show them? Okay, because we're going to read a story together now. All right, my friends. Bentley's going to go right over here so that he can enjoy the story too. But before we begin, let's go ahead and do our hello song together. Are you ready? Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. I'm glad you're here today. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. I'm glad you're here today. So hello everyone, and I am so excited that you're joining Bentley and I here by our campsite in the woods in New Hampshire, right by the river. Yes, it's a beautiful day today. So I thought that a really fun book to share would be this one. And it's called We're Going on a Nature Hunt. That's the title or name of the book. We're going on a nature hunt. And it's by Steve Metzger. So Steve Metzger is the author. That's the person who wrote the story that we're going to share together. And it's illustrated by Miki Sakamoto. That's the illustrator. That means that's the person who did what? The pictures in the book, that's right. Yes. And my friends, this is a soft cover book. I can gently bend it. And this is the front cover. So if this is the front cover, my friends, what's this? The back cover. You're right. Front, back. Who remembers what this is called? It's kind of silly because we have one too. Who remembers what this is called? The spine. That's right. It's the spine of the book. And it helps to hold all of the pages together. And friends, when we open up to the first page of the book, this is called the title page. It has the title or name of the book again. We're going on a nature hunt. And it has the author and illustrator again. And this is a scholastic book, friends, that we're sharing today. All right, here we go. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a bridge. A narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. Can we pretend that we're crossing a bridge? Are you ready? Here we go. Cross, cross, cross. Let's walk across the bridge. Let's try that one more time. Are you ready? We can even use our marching feet. Ready? Cross, cross, cross to the other side. Great job, my friends. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at the colorful flowers, but don't pick them. We're going to leave them there, right? For everyone to be able to see them as they walk by. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a pond, a clear and sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Ooh, what do you think is going to be in the pond? They're getting all set to go into the boat with their life jackets on. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. Can we paddle too? Paddle. Let's go. Here we go. It's a slippery, sloppery frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Look at that frog jump and swim. But don't scare it. Can you hop like a frog? Let me see. Ready? Ribbit, ribbit. Oh, can you hop like a frog too? Great job, my friends. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. Friends, what is this friend holding? Do you know what these are? They are called binoculars. And that's another way to observe nature. We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Dig, dig, dig down into the ground. Can we dig down into the ground too? Let's pretend we have our shovels. Dig, dig, dig. We could have a big shovel. Dig, dig, dig. Can you dig with your imaginary shovels too? Great! What are we going to find inside the ground? It's a worm! Look at that wiggly waggly worm. But don't hurt it. Be gentle. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a tree. Look, there are many trees behind me, right? Because I'm in the forest right now. A tall and leafy tree. What's in the tree? Let's find out. She's looking through her binoculars. Oh, what have they done here? Climb, climb, climb up to the crooked branch. They're climbing the tree. This does look like the perfect kind of tree to climb. Can we pretend to climb up the tree? Let's pretend. Climb, climb, climb. Climb, climb, climb. Great job. What are we going to find up in the tree? It's a scratchety nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest. But don't touch. We just look. Yes, they're leaving the eggs alone. They're just looking. What's that noise? It's very close by. Bzz, bzz, bzz. It's making a buzzing sound. What makes a buzzing sound? And lives in a hive. What is it? What's in there? It's a beehive. Oh no, let's go. Back down the tree. Down, 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 down. Back through the meadow. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. Back across the pond. Ready? Paddle, 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 right? Across that water. And back over the bridge. March, 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 march over the bridge, friends. We're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last. Friends, have you ever been on a nature hunt before? Maybe you could go on one with your adults sometime. Maybe you could find a path, a trail in nature that you could follow. I go on a lot of nature hunts here in the woods. But you know where else you can go on a nature hunt? Just by going right outside. Even in your own yard, you could go on a nature hunt. And you can look high and you can look low for things in nature, just like they did in our story today. Bentley, what did you think about our story today? Did you like it? You did. Should we tell the friends what's next? Okay, friends, so we have a finger play to share with you today, and then we have an activity too. All right, Bentley, are you ready to go back over there so that you can join us for the finger play and the activity? All right, here we go. Bentley's going to go over here, and I dropped something that's going to go to our activity, so let me just get that. Okay, I got it, but I'm not showing you yet. First, we're going to do a finger play, okay? Do you know the finger play, where's the beehive? Okay, here's our beehive. It's our hand, okay? And it goes, here is the beehive. But where are the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Will they come out of the hive? Here they come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bzzz, bzzz. Did I surprise you, my friends? That's a really fun finger play to do. Now, I brought something to show you, and it's something that they used in the story on their nature hunt. Do you remember what these are called? Binoculars. That's right. So I can bring these on my nature hunt, and I can look through them. And I can look high, And I can look low. I can look across the river with these, my friends. And I can look high up in the trees too. That brings me to our activity for today. We are going to make our own binoculars. Okay, all you'll need to use is either a paper towel tube or 2 toilet paper tubes. So if I were to use the paper towel tube, then I would just want to take some scissors and sit safely if you're going to use scissors, okay? Open, shut, cut, cut, cut. And we're going to go to the middle as close as we can, and we're going to cut. Cut that paper towel tube right in half, okay? So I could use these to make my binoculars, because now I have 2, right? One for each eye. Or I could use 2 toilet paper tubes. And these are a lighter color. Do you see that? These are darker and these are lighter. I'm going to use these, okay? And all we're going to do, my friends, is use crayons or markers or colored pencils or stickers or whatever you want to use. Paint, whatever you want to use to decorate your binocular pieces, okay? I'm going to use colored pencils that I brought with me. I'm just going to color my binoculars. Just going to color them. All different colors. Yeah. What's your favorite color, my friends? Oh, good ones. I like those colors. So we can just color them. Use all different colors or just your favorite color. Maybe you want to draw pictures on them. These are your binoculars. You can design them however you like. And I just want mine to be a bunch of different colors going around them. Okay, so we're going to just put colors all around. Then when you're finished, or you can, like I said, you can use colored pencils like me. They look like this. Or you can use crayons. You could paint them and let them dry. You could stick stickers on them, or you can just leave them the way they are. It's up to you. So I have finished putting the colors on to my 2 pieces here, and I just did colors going all around. So when you're finished with that, you're just going to take some tape. I like using tape because we can make them very quickly and use them right away. And I'm just going to put some tape here. I taped them together. Let me show you one more time on the other side. I'm just taking some tape, and I have them here. And I'm just going to put the tape on one part and continue it to the other side. Do you see that? And if you need help, you can ask your adult to help you. So I've just done a piece of tape, one on each side. And I have my binoculars, my friends. I see you. And with your binoculars, you can look high and you can look low and you can go on your own nature hunt just like they did in the book. And you can see what you discover in nature. Well, my friends, I hope that you had fun today in the Book Nook with me and Bentley. And reading our story and doing our finger play and making some fun binoculars. And we'll be back again soon for more fun adventures at the Book Nook. Are you ready to sing goodbye? Okay, you ready to sing goodbye, Bentley? All right. Goodbye to all my friends, goodbye to all my friends. We'll come and play another day. Goodbye to all my friends, goodbye to all my friends, goodbye to all my friends. We'll come and play another day. Goodbye to all my friends. Bye, everyone. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.